Tired of laundromat runs or struggling with limited laundry space? The BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cu FT portable washer gives you full-size cleaning power in a compact, apartment-friendly design, perfect for small homes, dorms, RVs, and rentals. Key features. 1. 0.9 cubic feet drum/6.6 lb capacity, ideal for daily laundry. 2. 5 wash programs, normal, heavy, gentle, rapid, soak. 3. Stainless steel tub for durability and efficient agitation. 4. Quick connect sink adapter, no plumbing needed. 5. Drain hose included, hassle-free water removal. 6. Transparent lid, easy cycle viewing. 7. LED display and simple panel, beginner-friendly. 8. Top-load compact design, fits tight spaces. 9. Energy efficient plus quiet operation, great. You're in a small apartment, laundry piling up, no space for a big machine. With this washer, just connect to your sink, load clothes, press start, and boom, fresh, clean laundry at home. No more carrying heavy bags to laundry shops. Perfect for medical students living in hostels or small flats, clean scrubs, socks, and everyday clothes fast and privately. Ideal for apartments and condos, dorms and hostels, RVs and small homes, students, renters, travelers. Should you review it? Yes, portable washer content ranks high. Demonstrating noise level, load samples, and sink connection setup equals big engagement. Tired